And here is again another apartment tour here in the city of Moncton. This tour actually is not an apartment, it's a house tour. This is absolutely a good house for a 3-child family, and then the parents, so that would be 5. It's a 3-bedroom with a 1.5 bath and with a deck. And let me show you around. There is the driveway for the parking, and there is the lawn. This is the main entrance. One thing that I like here is that the entry is this. It's not a key entry, and therefore it is absolutely safe. This is the stairs going up. This is the dining area. And let me take you to the living room first. So this is the living room. All of the things, everything that you see here is included in the rent, together with all the fixtures, the furnishings, the sofa. And this sofa actually is a bed as well. You just turn this part here, and then it becomes a bed. And then there is a view of the outside. Alton College and the YMCA are only about 5-7 minute walk, but NBCC is a little bit farther, and therefore you will need to take a bus. With a bus ride, that will be perhaps about 20-minute bus ride. This is the first bedroom, and this is the only bedroom here upstairs. This bed, together with this mirror and the cabinetry for your storage, are all included. And this is the wardrobe for this bedroom. It's actually a decent sized wardrobe where you can hang and stack your clothes. And another beauty of this is the view from the outside. During summer season, it's absolutely pretty and nice to just draw the curtains and let some lights in. Here is another cabinetry or storage for stacks of clothes and wherever you need to have stored. This is the bathroom, which is the half bath, meaning there is no shower. And this is it. It's a decent size powder room. The Canadians call it the powder room. This is the hallway going back to the dining area, and this leads us to the kitchen. So everything that you see here in the kitchen are all included in the rent. The oven, the kettle, the microwave, the dishwasher, and the refrigerator are all included in the rent. Here is another storage for all the things in the kitchen, or even the hang of clothes. And this is one of the nice spots here in the entire house, the deck. This is the deck, and you have a big tree here that provides you shade during the summer season. This tree could really help prevent the snow piling up here in the deck as well during the winter season, and therefore during the winter season you still have the opportunity to walk outside because the snow does not get the chance to pile up because of this tree. And if you have children, your children can certainly have their playtime here. It's quite a nice background here. This is the view. And so that is the upper part of the house. Now let's go down to the lower part of the house, or the basement, where the other 2 bedrooms are located at. We are now at the basement where the other 2 of the rooms are, and this is the wash area. So that's the dryer and the washer. And this actually can team up as a storage area as well. Extra storage for everything you need stored. And this is another storage area. This is the second bedroom. It has a double-sized bedroom with a mirror in the cabinet or the drawer for everything you need stored, clothing and all. And aside from this, you have extra storage, which is here. This is again a decent size storage. So this house rents for $2,150. The $2,150 includes everything and anything you could possibly imagine. That includes the internet, utilities, water, heating, the furnishings, the TV, the washer, the dryer, even the cutleries, the glass, and the plates, cleaning of your driveway during winter and during summer season. So really, this is a plug and play scenario. If you are a new person coming into the city or moving in, this is a great option for you. So you only have to bring your clothes and you don't have to worry about anything else. If you need such apartment, or if you believe that this kind of house is applicable to your scenario or to your situation, or if you like this, then let me know in the comments below and I will chat with you.